Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on TIA. Recently, the price of TIA broke out another down channel, and this was a channel you can see that for past several weeks since after 24th of November 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And recently, we broke out the resistance of the channel, but got rejected by this uptrend line resistance. That was, by the way, previously acting as a support. You can see that we had a bounce here, and a bounce here and another bounce here, another bounce here, and 20 touch points here at the support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got rejection here. Therefore, in my previous video, I was telling you that now, again, it can act as a resistance. And you can see that after the breakout from this channel, price line is once again rejected. And by the way, right now we are dropped down at a very long-term support that was previously working as a resistance of a big and long-term down channel. You can see that on the same daily time frame chart it was also moving inside this down channel as well. And we broke out the channel here a few days ago. But the price end was rejected by this long-term resistance of $9. And now the price end was again re-entered the same channel. Now recently we have broken out this big and long-term down channel. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for bounce bit, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 12th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this down channel. And now recently we have broken out the resistance of this channel. But after the breakout, the price line is rejected by this down trend line up trend line resistance as well. That was previously acting as a support. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here. So many touch points here, by the way. And we had another bounce here, and we had another bounce here, another bounce here. This was another bounce. This was another bounce. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got rejection here, and now when we broke out this down channel, then price line is once again rejected by this up trend line resistance. And now we are retesting the previous resistance of a big and huge down channel. You can see that at the same time, it was also moving inside this very big and long-term down channel as well. And this resistance of the channel is coming from here from the month of Feb 2024. Since then, the price line was not able to break it out. And here for a while, we broke it out, but the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance of $9 that was previously acting as a support. And again, it worked as a resistance. And now, again, we have broken out this downtrend and resistance of the channel. Now we are retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. In case of, again, re-entering the channel, the bigger down channel, if the price line breaks down this support, this downtrend and support, then it can test the support of this smaller down channel. And also it can test this next support of $2.86 as well. And you can see that for the past several days, it is working as a very, very nice support. And in case of another price reversal from here, it can again hit this uptrend line resistance once again, somewhere here approximately at $4.60. And now if you take a look at the targets, then technical target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel that is at $9. And over there, we already had a very long-term resistance. We got few rejections here. And before that, it was working as a support here and support here and support here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of this channel. That is approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.